This experiment is called the lemon floating experiment. For this experiment, you need lemon, a glass of water, salt and spoon. So first you take this lemon and put it into the glass. Now you see the lemon sinks. Now you take it with a spoon. Now you put two spoons of salt. Three spoons. Now you mix it and put the lemon, and now you see it floats because normal water has no density, but salt water has more density than normal water. Thank you.